Good evening, everyone. For today's feedback video, we have with us retired Army officer Colonel Kapoor. He came to us with pain in neck, an unpleasant sensation in left side of the shoulder while looking up and while laying down. That is while putting his neck on the back side. In physiotherapy terminology, we call it extension. So let us talk to our patient now. So, kindly share your experience of consultation with us at Brain, Spine and Joint Clinic.
I was very satisfied. I came with my wife, uh, who got in touch with you, and I felt quite satisfied with the kind of diagnostic you did, and you explained it to me. You drew a diagram, and it gave me hope. Yes, that I was coming to the right place for the right kind of a treatment.
Okay. And how different has been the physiotherapy sessions with us, if ever you have taken any kind of physiotherapy earlier in your life?
No, I've not taken any physiotherapy earlier in my life. This is the first time.
But you
And-
had some idea what usually physiotherapists do.
Yes, I certainly did have the idea, but I found it far beyond my expectations. I was only thinking that perhaps it would be a certain pull and pushes and exercises, but it was well beyond that. And the equipment that the clinic has and the staff uh, that uses that equipment are highly professional. And to me, it appeared that if they were getting at the targeted area of concern.
Okay, and you can say that the your protocol for your treatment on daily basis comprised of equal amount of manual therapy and equal amount of electrotherapy, or rather more of manual therapy rather than the passive form of treatment, just putting on heat and machine and letting the patient go.
No, I felt that the therapy was very, very well balanced. It was physical as well as electrical, whatever you call it,
Electrotherapy.
electrotherapy, and the vibration and the uh, targeted feeling of the muscular knots and
Knots.
things like that was also very effective.
Okay, we discussed with you on the day of consultation while explaining you that you have a knot, certain kind of myofascial knot, we can call that, which is restricting or which is the main causative factor for your problem. So now you can you feel that the knot has been decreasing in size
Yeah.
over the days?
Yes, yes, the knot has certainly been decreasing because I used to feel a little
Hardness or
jumpy,
stiffness.
jumpy movement, and I
Mhm.
realized that the jumpy movement was now being reduced considerably over a period of time. Unfortunately, I have had to cut this session short because I'm going out. I wish I could have continued and seen this thing, but I'm quite sure that the relief
Relief will continue, definitely.
is immense and will continue.
Okay, over the days you will not be taking the therapy, the relief will continue for sure. And what score would you give us out of 10 for your pain reduction if 10 is the worst score?
If 10 is the worst score
10 is the worst score.
and 1 is the best score,
0 is the best, like
Zero
no
score.
no pain or no unpleasant sensation.
I will give you 1.
Okay,
That
so
is nearly the top.
nearly the top, because still a few more sessions would have been required.
Yes.
Okay, now
Unfortunately, the limitation is from my side that I have to.
but we'll
quit.
teach you some exercises so that the problem does not reoccur.
Right.
And I would like you to give a message to the society for if physiotherapy is better or sticking on to the painkillers is better, or your experience, just to create a awareness amongst these people that what should they prefer and what kind
Okay.
of therapies
Actually,
should they take.
according to the painkiller is a very, very temporary and superficial kind of remedy. It's not even a remedy at all. It's just a suppression. Whereas physiotherapy addresses the area of concern and tries to relieve it, and also tells you as to what you need to do to improve your posture
Posture
or
or
otherwise
lifestyle.
to
So that
eradicate that
yes.
problem, or at least reduce it to some extent, or
Yes,
to large extent.
and prevent the further complications.
Yes.
Okay, this was all from you, our side. Anything else you want to share?
Nothing at all. I've really enjoyed the sessions here in the sense that they've given me a lot of relief,
Thank you, sir.
and if need be, I hope there is none. I might come again.
Okay. I hope you don't come again with the same problem at
Yes,
least.
yes,
And you have stronger neck muscles now,
yes.
better nerve mobility, so that your trip to the foreign land is happy and joyful.
Thank you, Jay.
And thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Sir.
It was great knowing all your staff as well.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.